Yeah, another video today. We have a snowstorm warning today that started at 12 o'clock. It's going to end at 12 o'clock tonight. Heavy snow, no doubt. Really heavy snow. Coming down pretty good. I think I hear thunder too in the sky, you know? Thunder now. Thunder snow. Hear that thunder? Yeah, we haven't had much snow at all. We had a good amount of snow Thanksgiving and Christmas time, and ever since that we haven't had nothing. We had a blizzard back at Christmas time, Thanksgiving. 30-some inches of snow, 15 below temperatures. Yeah. This is just heavy snow. This isn't lake effect. The blizzard we had lake effect. Real light, fluffy. So I'm making a video here. Hope you guys appreciate, you know, I don't have to put these out, you know. Put down a like and subscribe. Who knows, maybe I'll quit making them. Yep. I like putting them out. Well, it's real slushy, you know. Really slushy stuff. Crap, put it that way. It's crap. Roads are terrible. Very bad out. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. It's supposed to be in the 40s tomorrow and Sunday. Yeah. Coming down pretty good though. Enjoy the video, folks. Capture the moment. That's what I'm doing. I'm capturing the moment. March 3rd. Who would ever think it's March 3rd already? Where'd the year go? Yeah. Cars are all cleaned up. We got the car wash yesterday. And now look at it. Yeah, look at it. Yep. Good night, take it easy. That's for sure. Need some country music playing here. Joey and Rory, you know, nothing but the best will do, as Joey always used to say. Quiet out, it's kind of somber out. Not real windy. Beautiful though. Yeah. Cold out though. It's not real cold out. It's like 34 degrees out. Real damp and miserable, put it that way. But another video, spur of the moment. Check out my YouTube channel. Got Trans Am videos on there. Lake Michigan Inland Lake videos. Of course, our beloved Boy Bandit 2 videos. Poor kid passed away a year ago, January 10th. Our beloved boy. The Trans Am in the garage here, new cover on it. Snowblower. I've only used that since what? November and Christmas time. I haven't used it since. And this snow, you can't use it. It's too heavy and slushy. Get trapped in the hopper. Yeah, sure will. Sure will, folks. Sure the lens is clean. Yeah, but not supposed to snow. It's going to stop, they say, at midnight. The snowstorm, the storm warning was like from noon to midnight. Check out the back, huh? Take a gander. Take a gander, folks. Friends out there. Yep. They say put down a like, put down a comment, and subscribe. Don't cost you a stinking penny. Like I say, I like putting them out. I hope you guys appreciate it too. If not, I might just stop one of these days. Then what would you watch? What would you look at? Wouldn't be much to look at anymore on Facebook, would there? But I put these on YouTube, and I put them on Facebook too. But anyway, steady snow. Heavy, heavy snow. Peaceful. Quiet. But anyway, everybody take care. Take care of your loved ones, and make sure you're good to people. Be nice to people. Don't be a backstabber. Everybody's been backstabbed in their lives, but it don't cost you a penny to be nice to somebody. A nice smile, a nice comment goes a long way. But anyway, guys and gals, another fast-paced, exciting video here. Just having fun. But anyway, guys, take care. Enjoy your Friday night and enjoy your weekend. Hope it's a good one, too. Take care, everybody. Bye.